There are a lot of people, processes, and data involved in the life cycle of a product. From engineering and supply chain to quality and manufacturing, how can you keep everyone on the same page? If your organization is struggling with manual, disconnected product development processes, it's time for a more modern approach. Autodesk Fusion Manage brings you cloud-based product lifecycle management. With Fusion Manage, you can manage and track product data, control revisions, and facilitate seamless coordination between teams. Fusion Manage offers a comprehensive set of PLM tools that streamlines the entire product development process. Now you can efficiently manage workflows, from product ideation to requirements definition to new product introduction. Fusion Manage captures all the details. Easily create your bill of materials and share it with your suppliers. Speed up collaboration. Fusion Manage keeps everyone working with the most up-to-date data. It controls quality and engineering change processes with connected automated workflows. From non-conformance identification and analysis to return merchandise authorizations and implementing corrective and preventive actions, teams have the visibility they need to respond quickly to product quality issues, and a feedback loop for engineering to make changes that improve quality, so you can bring the best products to market. Fusion Manage also helps manage your product portfolio. With Fusion Manage, you can start with one PLM process and expand as you need. And rather than starting from scratch, each process has out-of-the-box workflows that you simply tailor to your business needs. A simple change of category here, another change here, and you're all set. We give you the flexibility to start today and grow tomorrow with PLM that scales with your business. And with its open API, Fusion Manage integrates easily with other business systems, such as PDM, ERP, and CRM, so you can do even more with your data. Fusion Manage provides the tools you need to connect your people, processes, and data across all departments and geographies. This helps increase efficiency, reduce errors, and ensure a smoother product development journey for your organization, so you can spend more time reaching your business goals. With Autodesk Fusion Manage.